Yay, story time. I don't know how this video will do, but I am just creating it for the fun of it because why not? I mean, और कुछ है नहीं मेरे पास करने के लिए. But anyways, this video will be about how polar opposites my 2025 and 2026 were. 2025 was genuinely the best years of my life. इतने सारे highs मैंने एक साल में कभी भी अपनी पूरी life में नहीं. इतने drugs नहीं होंगे जितने मेरे highs थे 2025 में. बहुत over exaggerate कर रही हूँ, but there you have it. So 2025 के start में my team and I we got into this Hult Prize का national qualifiers, and idea इतना अच्छा नहीं था, but somehow we got in, and हम उधर like we flew to Mumbai, fully funded trip. It was so fun. It was so fun. क्लॉक इट वाला मोमेंट था एकदम. एंड देन उसके बाद आई ऑब्वियसली अप्लाई टू जी सॉक एंड आई गॉट इन टू जी सॉक विच वॉज सच अ ह्यूज फकिंग डील फॉर मी. एंड this was around May 2025 when I got the offer letter, and then around the same time I also got into this USA based company Factorial Energy. And I was like, fuck, इन दोनों में से तो एक चूज करना पड़ेगा. But I did what every sane student would do. I chose both of them. I did the internship and I did GSOC simultaneously from May to September-ish. And then ये खत्म हो गया. And then September के end में I went to this hackathon thingy as a volunteer. ETH Global Hackathon जो crypto related था. It was so good. 3 days that I spent there were the best fucking days of my life. Like I met so many people, I made so many friends. It was the best networking event that I've ever been to. And then फिर December आ गया, and I don't even know how September, October, November, December कैसे गया. So that happened, and then 2026 आ गया. इतने सारे lows भाई साहब, I can't even imagine. Again मैं over exaggerate कर रही हूँ. I think everyone has faced all of these lows at some point in their life. तो 2026 में शुरू में I was like कि मेरे 3 goals होंगे. एक पैसिव इनकम सिस्टम होना चाहिए मेरे पास, दूसरा मेरा टेक स्टार्टअप शुरू हो जाना चाहिए, एंड तीसरा was कंटेंट क्रिएशन रिलेटेड कि मेरे like 10K followers हों एटलीस्ट. हाहा, none of them I have achieved till now, which is again clock it moment. Yay, life is trying to teach me something. I just don't know what, or maybe it is just life being life. But anyways, मिडवे में भटक गई ये पूरे प्लान से. आई वाज लाइक फक जी सॉक कर लेते फिर से. पहले माय प्लान वाज कि अब नहीं करेंगे जी सॉक, बट देन आई वाज लाइक why not FOMO? And out of all the companies I could have applied for, I applied to Gemini CLI. जो भी मैंने proposal submit किया, and apparently Gemini CLI only selected two people, and 5 projects थे बस. दो ही projects select हुए. So that was pretty sad, and the rejection was, I mean, I'm like fine with the rejections. I don't really like, it's not like the end of the world for me, but it was still sad. So after that, this was around I think January, February, March तक ये हुआ. फिर रिजेक्शन का आया अप्रैल में, एंड देन मई जून. हाँ तो मई, हाँ आई थिंक April and May I was working on this gym fitness app, which basically like does pose detection and tells you exactly what you're doing wrong in gym. But it was मेरा idea था. I tried implementing it. I tried working on it, but honestly the logistics and like just the figuring out the science and the math in it is very difficult. So that also got dropped. और फिर जून vacations शुरू हो गए. वेकेशन शुरू हो गया, एंड इट हिट मी सो हार्ड कि फक यार, सेमेस्टर्स ख़त्म हो गए. मैं 4th ईयर में जाने वाली हूँ. 4th ईयर का फर्स्ट सेम होने वाला है, एंड 4th ईयर के सेकंड सेम में मुझे इंटर्नशिप करनी होगी. Are you kidding me? Because oh my god, that is scary. That is very scary. And at this point, the only thing that is scaring me so much is the passage of time. Like जून में मेरे वेकेशन शुरू हुए थे, जून ख़त्म हो चुका है. मुझे पता भी नहीं है कि जून कैसे ख़त्म हुआ. Like what did I do the entire June? I have no idea. But June के एकदम शुरू में did get an offer from a small startup, but I was like fuck it यार, मतलब last vacations है, I'm not going to work on an internship, so I rejected. boy, do I regret it? I don't. What made you think I regret it? I do. I kind of do, but not a lot. But like, I don't know if it was the right decision. But I did work on this other project called Lang Graph Sync, and apparently it did get noticed by Harrison Chase on Twitter. So that is one thing. But तो अभी जुलाई हो रहा है and right now I'm just trying to figure things out, figure where I want my life to be headed at. I have like no fucking clue honestly what I'm doing, and it's very stressful, but it is scary. Yeah. Bye, have a good day. I don't know, this story is not meant to, I don't know what this story was. Bye, good night.